Large laundry rooms benefit from a different tiling approach than small ones. For large laundry rooms, choose larger format tiles to reduce grout lines and speed installation, but plan layout so full tiles sit at focal sight lines and cut tiles end up at walls where possible. Use a dry layout by laying out a row of tiles from the primary viewpoint without mortar to confirm alignment and balance. Adjust starting joint so narrow slivers are avoided at doorways and cabinets. Mix only as much thinset mortar as can be used within its open time, and for large areas, prepare staggered batches and keep them covered to prevent skinning. Consider using a slightly smaller grout joint with rectified tiles and tighter spacings, with spacers rated for floor loads to control movement and make cleaning easier. For heated floors in a large laundry space, run tubing layout and insulation checks before the tile layer arrives and use flexible tile adhesive rated for bonded heating systems. For small laundry rooms, select smaller tiles or mosaics to follow room contours and allow better handling around door swings and tight cabinet feet, and prefer a more neutral grout color to visually expand the space. Common mistakes are starting at the wrong reference line, which leaves cut slivers at visible walls. Fix this by doing a dry layout and shifting your starting line so cuts land in less visible areas. Another issue is mixing too much adhesive, leading to waste and reduced performance. Prevent that by timing mixes to the adhesive pot life and training helpers to keep batches flowing. A third problem is choosing tile size without considering door clearances and appliance gaps so doors bind or reveal uneven transitions. Measure door swings and appliance feet first and mock set the threshold to confirm clearances before final adhesion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project photos and timing expectations so both sides learn what to expect for a laundry room tile job. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find leads that match their project scope.